All right, let's start with the most important tool, the Move tool. Look at the left toolbar. At the very top, you'll see an icon that looks like a black arrow. That's the Move tool. Go ahead, click it. This tool is used to select objects, move them, resize them, and rotate them. You'll use it constantly. Let's try it. Click on any object on your canvas. If nothing is selected yet, go ahead and create a simple shape first. Now click on that shape. You'll notice something appears around it, a bounding box. It looks like a rectangle, with small handles on the corners and edges. These handles are important. They allow you to resize the object. Move your cursor to one of the corner handles, click, and drag. You'll see the shape scale up or down. Now try this. Hold Shift while dragging. This keeps the proportions locked, so your shape doesn't get distorted. Now let's move the object. Click anywhere inside the shape. Hold and drag. You can place it anywhere on the canvas. Now let's rotate it. Move your cursor just outside a corner. You'll notice the cursor changes into a curved arrow. Click and drag, and the object will rotate. Now here's something important. You can select multiple objects at once. Hold Shift and click on another object. Now both are selected. When you move, they move together. When you scale, they scale together. This is how you manage groups of elements. Now let's talk about precision. Instead of dragging, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Each press moves the object slightly. If you hold Shift plus arrow key, it moves faster. This is useful for fine adjustments. Now take a look at the top of the screen. When the Move tool is active, you'll see options like position, size, rotation. You can type exact values here. So, instead of guessing, you can be precise. Now take a moment and experiment. Move things around, resize them, rotate them, select multiple objects. Get comfortable with this tool because everything you do starts here. We're going to look at how we can quickly navigate a document. Now, to zoom in and out, you can press Command or Control plus or minus on the keyboard, like so. Now, there are other tools as well. You can see mine don't fit on the screen, so they are buried here. We've got the View tool, which is the hand. We can click this and we can pan around. Now, I never use this tool in Illustrator because I just hold down spacebar. That is the keyboard shortcut to get to it. So holding spacebar, clicking and dragging, much faster in my opinion. Something else we can also do is if you do have a trackpad, you can hold down Alt or Option and then do this. And then with two fingers on the trackpad, you can swipe up and down to zoom in or out to specific points. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see I've got all kinds of lost. So to recenter the artboard and have it fill the entire screen, just press Command or Control 0. Now, if you do want to view your document at its native size, you can press Command or Control 1. And we do have some more options up here under the View menu. So there we go. We've got some more keyboard shortcuts to zoom to different percentages and different widths, or zoom to the selection. This one here, Command or Control Shift 0. So let's try that. And there you go. You can see that it fills the screen with the selection and centers it. So if you need to jump to a specific element and work on it, that's really useful. Oh, this is really useful as well. So these are different views. So at the moment, I'm viewing in vector. We can of course switch to pixels, but this one here, wireframe, is going to be very useful. So we can change this to outline, and this is the same keyboard shortcut as in Illustrator. So if I choose outline, you can see I've got last used there as well. So we'll switch to outline, and this is effectively a stylus wireframe preview. So this is great for stripping out all the color and style. You can work on the raw geometry of a shape. And then once you're happy and you want to come back to the full color mode, just press Command or Control Y, and it will take you out of that outline mode. So it works exactly the same as Illustrator, which makes it a lot easier to remember. And then lastly, we have the Zoom tool, which is Z on the keyboard, or Z for my American friends. So we can click this, and we do have scrubby zoom as well. Now we've got a few options up here. We've got a slider. I'm probably never ever going to use this because I just find it much easier to click and drag and zoom in. I love scrubby zoom. Took me a while to get used to it, but what I can do is I can Command or Control Z to fit that to the screen. I can zoom in, do a bit of work, zoom out, zoom up here, work on this thing, Command or Control 0. So once you employ all of these different navigation tactics and keyboard shortcuts, it can make navigating a document very quick and easy.